If you want to live a long and healthy life, fruits and vegetables should be an integral part of your diet. And there's hardly any diet more nutritious than a banana shake. Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain 5 benefits of adding a banana shake to your diet. Everyone agrees that bananas are rich in nutrients, but not all have made it a part of their diet. It has everything your body needs: calories, vitamins, carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, potassium, magnesium, and many other essential nutrients. Generally, bananas are considered helpful in giving energy, managing weight, refining the stomach, improving skin and hair, and solving hangover headaches. Moreover, banana is highly beneficial for pregnant women as well. Yes, that's what a heavenly fruit does to you. And there could be no better way to get your daily bananas than to drink a banana shake each day. So don't go anywhere if you want to know the 5 benefits of adding a banana shake to your diet. Before we further dive in, make sure you are subscribed to this channel for almost daily beneficial videos for your better future. Let's begin. 1. Works as energy booster. The first notable benefit of banana shake is that it is always an energy booster. As earlier said, it has nearly all the essential nutrients that your body needs: proteins, calories, vitamins, carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. This mixture boosts your energy and your whole day becomes productive. Have you ever wondered that sometimes we have a huge bulk of work to do, but we can't commit and keep putting it off? That's not because you don't want to do it, but because your body doesn't have the required energy and you become lazy. In other words, banana shake is an X factor that makes your life more productive. Typically, 1 cup of banana shake contains 1.52 grams of fat, 47 grams of carbohydrates, 105 calories, 31 grams of sugar, 88 grams of water, 3 to 4 grams of fiber, 4.77 grams of protein, 4 milligrams of cholesterol, 747 milligrams of potassium, and many other nutrients. 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. 1 cup of banana shake will keep you proactive all day. A recent study shows that lack of energy can lead to various disorders and diseases, which is an alarming thing. Fatigue is not the only bad thing that happens. You can face issues like anemia and even crippling depression. Yes, depression. Low energy means you are unlikely to fulfill your duties, which will disturb the pattern of your life, and soon you will be deeply stressed out and depressed. In this case, a doctor will suggest the intake of medicines containing potassium, calcium, fiber, magnesium, and a few vitamins. And you know what? Milk and bananas both have an abundance of these nutrients. Milk contains a high level of calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin D, and other such substances. Similarly, bananas contain potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber, vitamin B6, vitamin C, iron, carbohydrates, and other nutrients. Therefore, in a banana shake, the blend of banana and milk becomes a doubly enriched drink. Yes, 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 banana shake. It might not make you a Superman, but it will certainly give you enough nutrients to keep you active and energetic all day long. 2. Banana shake helps you manage weight. The second important benefit of making banana shakes a key component of your diet is that it can help you manage your weight. By the way, what does the word manage mean? Well, manage means it can do both things: increase or decrease your weight. How is that even possible? It's possible. We all know that a dietitian recommends increasing the daily intake of calories, proteins, carbohydrates, fiber, and fats, and all of them are richly present in banana shake. A typical banana contains more than 100 calories. If you add 2 bananas to the shake, it will be more than enough. An interesting point is that green bananas are especially recommended if you want to put on weight and want to look healthier. These green bananas contain a high amount of resistant starch, which is not digested when it passes through the digestive tract. The good thing is that this resistant starch has no side effects. It means using green bananas in shakes will help you gain weight without requiring expensive and even dangerous drugs. But at the same time, banana shakes can lead to weight loss. When you're hungry, you want to eat anything. such as pizza, french fries, hot dogs, hamburgers, and others. And these contain heavy fats and proteins, which can lead to excessive weight gain. In that situation, what you can do is to take 1 cup of banana shake. On the one hand, it contains no negative fats, and on the other hand, it kills your appetite. A banana shake contains fibers, which help you feel fuller longer. Eat less and have more. You are in the land of banana shakes. Another thing is that when you increase your intake of banana, the level of sugar in your diet reduces considerably, and this is the bloody sugar which makes you bulky. In simple words, banana shake gives you the same energy that sugar gives, but without the fat. Hence, slowly but surely, banana shake can reduce your weight. You might need a proper plan by a dietitian, but all I am saying is that banana shakes really work if you are trying to manage your weight. 3. Beneficial for healthy hair and skin. The third benefit of banana shake is healthy hair and skin. Firstly, banana shakes contain vitamin C in abundance. This vitamin is a crucial antioxidant which keeps skin fresh and healthy. Vitamin C also slows the process of aging. It also speeds up the process of healing in the case of any damage to the skin. It produces collagen, which is required for healing and keeping skin hydrated. The presence of potassium in the shake is also important because potassium, along with vitamin C, is an anti-aging agent. These two are also helpful in preventing wrinkles and keeping skin lively and fresh. Apart from that, banana shakes have anti-inflammatory effects as well, which reduce skin burn due to sun exposure. In the case of acne, the affected part of skin might look less red. Some studies show that banana shakes alleviate acne problems, which is remarkable. You might have spent hundreds of dollars on anti-acne cosmetics, mostly in vain, but a cup of banana shake a day is definitely going to work for you. So if you want radiant, clearer, and fresher skin, make banana shake a part of your diet. Similarly, banana shake is beneficial for the health of hair as well. The issue of hair fall, or even baldness, appears when your body is not getting essential nutrients. If there is a deficiency of vitamins B12 and D, biotin, riboflavin, and iron, hair fall starts. Since this shake provides you with all of these nutrients, your hair will remain healthy even if you are an older adult. Vitamin D in a banana shake will keep your bones stronger than ever. Some recent studies even show that banana shake makes teeth whiter and stronger, which is incredible. That's why banana shake is one of my favorite diets, and I want you to make it a part of your diet as well. 4. It helps fight various diseases. Another notable health benefit of banana shake is that it helps fight various diseases. First of all, banana shake is heart-friendly. They provide optimum nutrition, which keeps blood pressure in check. Moreover, a daily intake of bananas is helpful against gastrointestinal discomfort. Banana shake is also crucial in the fight against harmful microscopic organisms. A report by the National Centre for Biotechnology Information UK shows that banana shake is a great remedy to address the issue of hangover headaches. For those of you who drink too much, the issue of hangover headaches is a routine matter. Drinking dilates blood vessels in the brain, which causes headaches. The increased and frequent need to urinate also causes dehydration. And here again, banana shake comes to the rescue. It is rich in water and fiber, which helps keep the body hydrated. A study shows banana shakes are the best remedy for people who are facing reproductive issues. Bananas have a high level of potassium, which leads to an increased production of testosterone. It also provides a better libido, which is equally important. Further, it provides tryptophan, which increases the level of serotonin, which gives positive energy and reduces depressive episodes. The nutritious banana shake is also effective in empowering the immune system. Considering these health benefits, there should be no reason not to make a banana shake a part of your diet. 5. Beneficial for pregnant women. If your womb is carrying a baby, banana shake is going to be a highly beneficial diet for you. As earlier mentioned, banana shake is rich in nutrients like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. It keeps the health of the mother in check. Iron and vitamin B6 are especially crucial for the health of the mother and baby in her womb. For proper growth and various stages of development of a baby, optimum nutrition is required, which banana shake provides nicely. It is pertinent to mention that banana shake contains a high level of folic acid, which is one of the most essential nutrients during the development of a baby. It is fundamental to the development of the spinal cord, brain, and overall nervous system. If there is a deficiency of folic acid, there can be devastating impacts from premature delivery to stillbirths. Therefore, all doctors suggest the use of foods such as milk, bananas, and others that are rich in folic acid. The interesting thing is, having a banana shake means having a powerful diet with twofold more efficiency. Also, when a woman is expecting a baby, especially in the last trimester and postpartum stages, banana shake becomes the only nutritious and tasty diet. The shake contains glucose, sucrose, fructose, and iron, which provide her with instant energy. Anemia, or the lack of red blood cells, is another common disorder in pregnant women. One banana contains over 3% iron, and you should have read in your biology book that iron produces hemoglobin, which makes it an effective diet to fight anemia. In short, banana shakes are a must-have diet for any woman who is expecting a baby. Thanks for watching! Be sure to subscribe if you want more videos in the future, and don't forget to like as appreciating our efforts. See you soon!